$1 million. Do I got $1 million right now? No, but I will. Let me show you how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna show you my account, show you where we're at, show you what I'm investing in, guys. Let's go ahead and get into this. Show you how I plan on retiring when I'm like 55, 56 with over $1 million in my account. You ready to get into this with me? Guys, thumbs up. Thumbs me up, guys. Like it, share, subscribe. Appreciate it. Let me move this down a little bit, transition this over. So this is what I'm holding right now. This is how much I have right now, 112,000. Let's go ahead and discuss what we have. So ABBV, I'm up 44.69%. Air Products up 8.76%. This one down a little bit. Ford, I'm up 13.48%. Lowe's, I'm up 6.64%. This one here, yikesies, down 41.49%. It'll come back. It'll come back. They have a plan. It'll come back. Pepsi, I'm down 12.23%. That's Realty Income Corporate REIT. I'm down 1.69%. Coca-Cola Company, I'm up 20.47%. Walmart, I was buying Walmart when it was super cheap. When I heard about that stock split, started buying that old Walmart up. I'm up 54% on the Walmart. Waste Management, I'm up 23%. We're gonna do a little bit of a deeper dive into these here in a minute. FLQL, I'm up 40%. These ETFs here are looking really good. I'm up 27% on the ETFs. XYLD, I'm only up 0.93% here. Let's see. SPGP, I'm up 7.82%. SPHD, I'm up 9.84%. JP Morgan, JEPI, I'm up 3.61%. They have a good dividend, big dividend on that one. SCHD, I'm up 2.85%. SPYD, I don't need this many. So going forward, I'm only investing in VOO and JEPI. I don't know why I bought this many different ETFs. They're almost the same. They're pretty much tracking each other. VUG Vanguard Growth ETF, I'm up 54.84%, but I didn't really buy that many back in the day when it was low, but I'm up 54%. VOO, that's the Vanguard SP 500 ETF, I'm up 51.55%, and Vanguard Total Stock Market, I'm up 35.58%. So let's dive into. Let's look at Ford. Ford. Let's look at their dividend, guys. See what they got. So their dividend, let's look at their 3 year, this is their 3 year chart. They were high over here at $15. They got down to like nine something. Right. Now let's look at their dividend here. So their next dividend is 15 cents, but the actual dividend yield is 4.68%, which is pretty decent. Right. So it's going to keep paying me a dividend forever and ever. I'm going to continue compounding growth on that. Let's see what else we got. Let's dive into how long have I been? 3 minutes. Let's look at ABBV. See what kind of dividend they got for us. Let's look at the 3 year chart. That's a 3 year chart, guys. It got all the way down to 130 bucks, 140, and now it's up here at 237. Pretty good. So their dividend. They got 2.397 dividend. Right? You don't want a dividend that's over 5% because they're not, if they're paying too much in their dividend, they're not putting back into the company, and it's hard for the company to grow when they're putting all their profit is into the shareholders' hands. It's hard for the company to grow when they're paying too high of a dividend. Those are facts, big dog. Look into it. Look into it. Let's look at realized gain and loss, which we kind of just did. Is it gonna pull up? There's no try. Oh, I clicked on the wrong thing. Investment income is what I wanted to look at, actually, not the realized gain and loss. So over the next 12 months, pull it up here. Let's make this guy just a little bit smaller. Make this guy a little bit smaller also. Transition that over. So January of 25, I made $139. February, I made $151. March, I made $658. April, 155. May, 212. June 25, $515. July, $239. August, $186.80. September, $519.05. October, $238.66. November, I'll make $154.93. I still got some more money coming to me, $31. In December, I'll make $551.09. So we could also look at the next 12 months. Next 12 months, a little bit more money, 3,900. Look at these, 551, 238. Just a little bit more, slightly more, because we're going to compound those dividends in there. It's going to grow and grow and grow. And here's another little chart, estimated remaining, $584 remaining for the year. And this right here is all the dividends that's already paid out to me. Um, Slide that over a little bit so you can see it. Estimated next 12 months. As you can see, the total estimated for 2025 and then estimated for the next 12 months. See how it's slightly more? A little bit more, a little bit more. Why is that one less? Why is Ford paying less? Don't know that one. Slightly more here, slightly more here. So it's just a little bit more. It's going to continue compounding and compounding and compounding. All right, so let's go. So I got this screen pulled up right here, compound interest calculator. So as you see from my account, I have 112,000, right? And say we're compounding at 8%, which is kind of low. It's usually like 9 or 10%. Compounding growth, $3,000 a month in there. As you can see here with my mouse. 12 years, 8% compounding growth, $3,000 a month. So it should be $1,013,000. Now, I know a lot of y'all don't make the same amount of money as I do. I don't make that much money, make a little bit. So say, let's pretend I bring home after 401k, taxes, insurance, all that hoopla. Say I bring home $120,000 a year, right? $3,000 a month, that's $36,000 a year. And so that still leaves me with like $88,000 to pay my bills. Like who can't pay their mortgage, car, food, electricity? Who can't pay that on 88,000? So if you make the same amount of money as me, there's no reason that you can't retire with over $1 million in a brokerage account, not your 401k, not your pension, in a separate brokerage account, right? So, and that's going to be, I'm 44 now. So let's say that's 12 years. I'll be 56, right? So if you're younger and if you're 30 and you make the same money as me, say you're an operator or a machinist, or if you bring them 100,000 or 120, 150,000, there's no reason that you can't have like 2 million by the time you're 55, right? So say if you're 30 and start investing that amount, right? And then 25 years later, look how much money you're going to have. If you're 30 and you have a good job like me, and you put $3,000 a month in there, 36,000 a year, there's absolutely no reason you don't have a ton of cash when you're 55 years old. And you just hit this, and this could be the same exact thing. You could do the same amount for your 401k. Well, not that much. Say your 401k is 24,000 a year, so $2,000 a month into your 401k plus a company match. So let's say 2,500 a month right into your 401k from the age of 30 to 55, and you can pull out of your 401k right there 3,200,000. If you max out your 401k and also put money into this bad boy, like all the accounts that I just showed you, that's like $6 million, guys, from the age of 30 to 20 to 55. That's a pretty good amount of moolah. But I just wanted to share that with y'all. Don't be discouraged. And let's say you don't have let's say you don't have any money, right? You can only do 500 a month, right? 500 a month for 25 years. Seriously? That's 1.3 million for $500 a month. 1.3 million, 500. Oh, hold on. Let's start over. Let's deduct. Hold on. Let's say you start with 500 bucks. Oh, that's way less. So if you're 30 and you go to 55, that's 25 years. But if you're 30, if you're 25 and go to 60, that's 35 years, right? $500 a month give you 1.1 million. 35. You can do $500 a month. That's 6 grand a year. Put that to your Roth IRA, right, or a traditional IRA. 500 a month, 6,000 a year. You can afford it. Stop smoking. Stop getting energy drinks. Stop putting that cat back on your car, on your Dodge V6 because it sounds like garbage. All right, guys. So that's just I just want to show y'all some quick numbers. Thanks for sticking around. Let's not forget to give it some thumbs up, guys. Also, did he do it? Hey, did he do it? We don't know. Let's hope he didn't do it. But hey, did he do it? All right. Thanks for stopping around, guys. Take care.